Hi guys, welcome back to our Rift War. Oh, sorry, I gotta escape the. I don't want to go to the prison. Ah. So guys, just ignore that. Forget about it. And what is that just spawned there? I don't know. I vanished that place. So guys, let's go to the secret. I will show you the secret, but first you need to subscribe and please subscribe. When you don't know about the secret cheat, right? Let's go first to the mountain. Let's go with my flying motorbike. Whee! That way. Whee! KOG. Just ignore about that. Let's go. So first, first you found the hole right here. Here, take this one first, and go to yourself and just save this and eat and eat. See? So you can go now. So you are an ant, like Crouchy, and you will be rich forever. When you can reach and you can go to through the hole, you cannot make that. You cannot grab that. So that's okay, right? So that's the secret key. Just go to this. And so that's why you get the money. And there's a monies too. It's pretty old or new here. It's top of the mountain. The mountain. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. No. Just drop there. Drop it back there. You have a money. Lots of money. And I hear my motorbike just my motorbike. Okay, let's go to my motorbike. Go. let's go to the good flying motorbike. Jump over that, jump over that. Oh, almost hit the rock. Yo, guys, my motorbike broke. Yeah. So download this on your phone. It's good to Android and iPhone and computers. And you're sent flying to the heaven. Yeah, sent flying to the heaven. So, why did I just fly through there? Hey, oh my god, almost hit that. Two, three. Oh, sorry. Oh, so I'm gonna steal money. And go, 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 go. He's looking right at me. Oh, go, 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 guys. Ignore that sound. Ignore that sound. So that's why my bike broken. Oh, for the drifting. Let's go hit that one for more power. Nice. Uh, oh, oh, yeah. And there's a cool car. So just ignore that car thing. Forget about it. And so guys, it's nighttime. Time to go to our base. Our house. I mean our. Oh, almost hit that. Oh, eh, my house. My house. Oh, there's my house. Let's go. Oh, I passed it. Yeah, the window almost hit the paper. Ooh, let's spark this bad boy up. Still missing. What? I need to be sun. Click, 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 click. Click, click it. Nice. It's 6 a.m. And I think it's 6 a.m. or something. What's time now? It's 9 a.m. Let's go to gaming room, guys. Oh, it's fun. Oh, it's fun. There. Oh, yo, why you can walk and just run. Oh, this game's so fun. Oh, see that? Let's go, we won. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ah, go outside. Let's have a nice backyard. Nice hot tub in summer. Ooh, ah, good to be here. So, guys, goodbye, guys. Please like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. So, bye.